Hey everyone, my name is Shah, and today we're going to be talking about Elrond. Its explosive price action, how we're almost at $500, how we showed you to invest in Elrond when it was sub 100, and how now they have their Maiar Exchange, and you can stake your Elrond and MEX tokens for ridiculous APY. I'm going to do a full tutorial on how you can go on your Elrond Exchange, connect your Maiar wallet, and then add liquidity to then be able to farm your Elrond and MEX. For those of you that claimed your free MEX tokens for being Elrond holders, congratulations. That's amazing. We received over $1,000 worth of free Elrond. Depending on the tier you were in, I received about 1,200. That was awesome. So without taking up any more of your time, let's get into it. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. A lot of people are not in yield farming, but Maiar Exchange makes it really easy. The Elrond team makes it really easy. So let's show you what's going on. So as you can see, we're on the Maiar Exchange. So you can go to the Maiar Exchange and do it for real, or you can go onto their testnet. You don't feel comfortable yet, you can come to the testnet, add liquidity, and mess around there. But we're going to show you on the real one because we're going to put our MEX and Elrond to work. So we look at active pools and we see the Elrond to MEX pair, which is what we have. So we want to add liquidity. So it brings us here. And if you have a decision to make here, ours is locked MEX. And we're going to use the max. And you can see now that would be about 3.7 Elrond. Okay. So we add the liquidity here. Oh, I guess I'm staking Elrond, so it says that it's not available. So let me go unstake Elrond in my Maiar wallet. Let me pause this for you guys and unstake it. So this is a little hiccup, which it'll be beneficial for anyone else who sees, but my Elrond is staked right now in my Maiar wallet, so I'll be paused and come right back. We're back and we unstaked our Elrond, but it's going to take 10 days until we can move that. So we just put the max amount of Elrond. So this is the amount I've actually earned just through staking and claiming. So about half an Elrond. So that's pretty cool. We bought Elrond at under $100. We showed everyone on this channel that we had done that. And just for reference, we can see 7 months ago, I was really encouraging you guys to buy Elrond. I said that it was going to go to $1,000. We're at that $500 mark, but you can see I was very big on Elrond 8 months ago. And we've been stacking Elrond. That's why we have free MEX tokens. But let's go back to here and let's officially add this liquidity. Confirm on Maiar wallet. I click continue on my wallet. It says confirm transactions, confirm, continue, sign transactions, transaction signed. Okay, it says 0 out of 2 transactions being processed right now. So let's wait for this to process. And my liquidity pair pool should show up right here. And right after that, we will go to farms to start yielding for that juicy APY. And just know 1.2 billion was given into this MEX exchange. I believe 288 million was just for the first phase, which I believe most will go up in this first month. and the MEX token, a lot of it is locked, which will be beneficial for the token price. So a lot of people who were dropped the MEX token, they aren't really selling it. In fact, they can go and farm it for having it locked to earn double the APY for an entire year. So if you're a long-term holder and believer in Elrond, like I am, then you're just going to lock it for a year and not worry about it. But if you think it's had a huge run up, which is true, you know, at right at $500, I could see a lot of people taking profits. There are a lot of whales, but Elrond is the second most loyal community and stake community. So I love how they're processing everything. The Maiar Exchange is great. You can see right here, it says now we can stake it. So what happens if we click stake? It takes us to these farms, and we're going to go ahead and click the EGLD to MEX, and we'll select our token, and we'll use the locked rewards, and we'll put 100% of it in, and we're going to lock the rewards for double the APR. All right, now I confirm that on my Maiar Exchange, and I signed the transaction, and we are good to go. So this will be a great test run. I will follow up on this video. If you guys gain value today, click that like button. It helps other people see information like this in the cryptocurrency space. And if you want to be on top of airdrops, definitely click that bell button. We try to provide time-sensitive information to the best of our ability. Feel free to follow us on all social platforms, from Twitter to Instagram to Clubhouse. We're 24/7 crypto. So leave a comment below if you're having any troubles. I'll definitely help you out. But we're about to see this transaction go through. So this is exciting. This is amazing. APY. You can see here, these are ridiculous numbers. And when we have the rest of our Elrond unstaked, we will add to this, which means we're probably going to have to buy some more MEX tokens. But now we get to see what the result will be in the next few days with this smaller amount, just because we had all our Elrond staked for so long. All right. It says my earned MEX. So I've already earned, well, this number keeps going up. Very cool. I have $514 in there. That would be my 0.5561 Elrond plus my MEX. So that makes sense. Now we have this number keeps increasing. So that is very exciting. And guys, outside of the Maiar Exchange, there's also the Maiar Launchpad and HoloRide. So if you haven't seen the Maiar Launchpad, definitely check it out. We've talked about it in our past videos. We are a huge believer in Elrond, and it's awesome to see this huge come up. And I see a lot of people are going to be locking in their MEX tokens. That'll be great for the exchange. And remember, an exchange like Aave only had like 20 million go in. Elrond has $280+ million in the first phase. So I would take advantage of these APYs while that's awesome. I made 6 cents. I just love how this is updating so quickly. You guys can see in live time how much earned MEX I'm getting. I was able to get this MEX because I held Elrond. A lot of people got other airdrops like the ENS, the Ethereum naming service. So at this point, I would advise everyone to really look into airdrops, because airdrops will be a huge source of income that can just be easy. And easy forms of passive income is how you're going to become financially independent. So crypto is a new ecosystem. DeFi is breaking traditional interest rates, and Elrond is definitely, in my opinion, a top 15 cryptocurrency. We thought that 8 months ago. It's nice to see Elrond on the huge come up. I believe Elrond can get to that $750 range if this exchange keeps gaining traction like this, which I see a lot of yield farming is getting traction like this. There was Pancake Swap with the auto compound. Then you see people talking about Olympus DAO. If you haven't seen our video on Olympus DAO and time, you saw there were several forks of Olympus DAO. Now you have time. Now you have Hector for Phantom. Now you have Wagyu Swap for Velas, but the exact forks of Olympus DAO with time and with Hector and with Euphoria. That's the one I wanted to say. Euphoria on the Harmony chain. Definitely check these out. Great ways to make a lot of gains on your coins. But I like the Maiar Exchange because it's directly from Elrond. So it's something you can trust in, rely on. I've only gained good money from Elrond. Elrond was a great purchase, and it's one of the coins I'll be holding long term. So guys, thank you for your time. Nothing's more valuable than your time, except your money. So I'll see you next time with some more gems.